welcome all back to the channel. Today we're going to do some metal work again on the heater channel right front side. And the previous video you have seen that I already took all the rusted pieces out and put some new in. So here we go with the next episode, and I hope you like it.
Now I made this simple piece here, only a corner of 90 degrees that sits here, and then what I have cut out the previous time, and now we'll weld it back in so it sits like this. So I have to drill here some holes. Let me take my my drill. Okay, first we're gonna set this here. And the other one small here. For this, I make a piece already. I bended a little corner here, so that sits there. And now I have laid it down, and I drove a line here where the metal is, plus the extra that went over. So this is the drawing, roughly, but now I'm going to cut it. This is the shape it has to be. It lines up perfectly there, and if you feel, you still don't have that extra. So now it's about cutting where it is. So that's a little bit difficult because at this side, on the other side, I don't have nothing to draw. So I will lay it here. Take my pen. Then we start here. I'm just looking. It's better to go big. And we have a line here, and then we go to this side here. Okay, now I have drilled the holes here. I can weld it on now. last sheet of metal here. This is for this part. Have to tap it a little bit flat here. Okay. Now, it sits right in here. Yeah.